for another video today, and today we are going to be doing Forza, cruising with Kieran and Alfie.
You alright?
Hold tight, Smithy boy in the crew, obviously. So, oh, who's in the fast one? I like that. You, Kieran, next to me.
What?
In that Lambo.
Yeah.
Yes, man's got Mr. lyrics going on there. But I love this car. I just genuinely love this car. I think my car's faster than any of yours here at the moment.
No, it's not. Go to the airport, Manchester.
Okay then, I'll meet you at the airstrip. Kieran, are you watching your stream?
I'm counting down.
Kieran, are you actually watching your stream? Because I can hear it. I can actually hear it.
Can you hear it? I
I
don't know.
boy.
I can't hear it over these earphones.
He's trying to get those views for this and
Yeah, no. I'm playing it through the laptop, so I know it's actually playing.
Alfie, do you think this is better than streaming through Twitch live?
I don't normally stream anyway.
Yeah, you got a channel you added?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's booming.
I don't normally stream.
The ball.
Have you added your simple ass banner?
No. I can't do it on some. I'm just doing.
Going a bit of off-roading in the Lambo.
I think Virgin Media need to hurry up and sort their shit out because my streaming quality's gone absolutely terrible because I'm only running 72 megabytes a second.
Might as well end it then, because on the other end of it, it's gonna look really bad.
That's what I don't know, I'll just pull through it and see how it comes out. If it's decent, I'll upload it, if it's I won't. Quick question, Alfie, what are you running, IPv4 or IPv6?
And what?
Network?
I don't know.
Someone set up the drag race on the stream, or is it my job to do it? Is it my lobby?
It's your job.
No, mine.
No, come on, Kieran.
I think we should do an affected, you know.
What?
What's the thingy? What's it? It's like, King of the Flag or something.
Oh, I know what you're going on about.
Those used to be well fun.
Anything goes.
I'm setting it up now.
Yeah. My string completely just cut off, you know. How bad is it? Oh shit, have you looked outside, Kieran?
What, Liam?
Have you looked how bad it is outside?
No. It doesn't look that bad, yeah, but it's dark, so I can't really see. Oh. It's set up now, if you want to join.
I would choose my dart and be a dickhead, but... How's it feel that your Porsche's going to get beaten, Liam?
Well, obviously, yeah. If you picked a dart, then it's gonna get beaten. But you know.
I haven't picked a dart.
No.
Oh, you picked a Porsche,
I'm
haven't you,
gonna lose.
Alfie? Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Picked a X as well.
Fuck. Fuck you, Alfie, you prick.
Yeah.
Yes!
No, I would have won that if I didn't ram you.
That's the only way Alfie can win. That's the only way Alfie can win is by ramming people and knocking people off course.
I would have won that. I would have won it.
No, you wouldn't have.
I would have. It's because the gears are really weird on this thing.
Let's go again then. Same cars.
I'll choose whatever I want, because don't bother me.
Oh, it's me and Alfie that's having this one off.
You both still gotta be in it, 'cause I'm the leader.
Yeah, but you know what I mean.
Oh, so gear 1 and 2 I've actually just got to press BB at the start and get it into gear 3. Otherwise it just kind of... This car's got really weird gears.
Oh.
What speed does your car top out at, Lee?
I don't know, I've never topped out any, I don't think. Kieran is sitting up at the venti, Oh my god, I'm tired. Oh,
For
I'm
JT.
not tired, I'm just tired. No one can beat my Porsche. Do not touch my Porsche, do not cough on my Porsche.
Where's my Porsche gone?
Don't even smell my Porsche. Don't breathe near my Porsche.
It's weird because this thing, if I don't change gear really fast at the start, it screws up the whole race.
Nah, that's bollocks.
It is you drive this car then. I will sell you this car. You drive it.
How much?
I don't really care. Gearing in this car so screwed really cheap. Told you I got the gearing right that time.
How's this only got 6 gears?
Don't try and ram me. This because I'm gonna win.
I didn't! I've got that on video, Alfie. I took over you. You tried to ram me.
How did you come first on my screen? Wait, what? We drawed? We drew?
Yeah, you got the exact same times.
What? No!
Mine pull off too slow, man.
How? How did we get the exact same cards? That's like literally impossible in this game.
I'm level 150 anyway now. Yeah.
So our cards are equal.
No, not at all. Not at all.
Yeah, 'cause we both just drew.
Whatever, they're equal.
And this thing's not even tuned.
Why don't you? I just upgraded it.
This thing was, if this thing was tuned, it'd smash you.
Of course, Alfie, of course. Anyway. So guys,
I'm
I'm
not
leaving it there for
look at
today.
that.
I hope you enjoyed the video of Alfie getting absolutely demolished the first time and then demolished the second time. We didn't cut the same time. We didn't cut the same time.
We did.
Yeah, we'll see on the video. Well, yeah, we did, but you'll see on the video that I came first. I crossed that finish line first. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I've been your boy LT Daily with KH Daily and Rallyman227. Go and check out their channels, link in the description below. But that's it from me today, you guys.
We're racing again.